Hello everybody. Today I would like to introduce you a few models what I bought during the New Year's Eve, and they just arrived, and today we're gonna go one by one, and for two models it's gonna be two additional videos. So for today I'm probably gonna start with the Ford Falcon in red color. So let me introduce you Classic Carlectables Ford Falcon XA. This model on the listing was been in damaged condition, so I needed to restore it. I needed to fix some things on it before making a review. So yesterday I've done a restoration for this model, and today I'm reviewing. So let's open the box and let's see inside how this beauty is looking. Seller described that this model have broken off splitters. Broken off splitters, steering wheel not been functioning, and chassis parts was been broken off. That's how it look. Brochure for this coupe. This is a number 485 out of 650 models, so it's quite rare. Only 650 models was been made worldwide. That's some kind of golden member application. So we're filling this up, sending and paying, I think, for subscription. Today will send you models every month or something like that. Here's supposed to be a strap, but I leave it at home, not put everything. So here is the car model what I've been restoring. These models are very rare. I came across one on internet, and I'm not managed to refuse it, to buy it, because get it nearly like a steal it. So here it is. Let's have a look around. One, another side, the back, and underneath. Inside, that's at the back. Only one thing what is missing on this Falcon, even two things what seller not provided. He probably not have it. Inside, under the rubber mat, supposed to be spare wheel, and this spare wheel is missing. Also supposed to be a pack of tools. I have in another Falcon exactly the same Falcon, and other model is fully complete. This one, the spare wheel doesn't bothers me much. So what I needed to restore? I needed to restore steering. Yeah. Now the steering is working. Before, when I disassembled this model, the latch was been pointing down towards engine side, and it was being twisted around. So probably somebody before was been disassembling this model and not assemble it properly. So I needed to totally disassemble to the bits. Yeah, that's why I take this to open it. The car model, other side of the doors. Yeah, from here. Yeah, it's very difficult to catch Let me get it in hands. Oh, here you are. I don't have special tool for it, so I take it this screwdriver. Let's have a look inside. Seats are moving. Other side, seats are moving, and engine bay. So underneath I needed to do some small modifications. This steering wheel latch, it was being too short, so I needed to drill a hole in and put the screw to will manage to this wheel will steer. And on top, one of the arms was been totally broken off, so I needed to recreate new arm. So here you are. That's the model what we're gonna sit across with my other Falcons. I also, when I arrived, this splitter, one part, another part was being broken off. Also front number plate, and at the back is a part of the bumper, this black, was being also broken off. So we're gonna I needed to reattach everything. So I get for myself very good deal what I managed to restore. Also here is a antenna, it's going out like that. So here it is, full review of this Ford Falcon. Now I'm gonna twist it around one more time, and in the next video, if you will gonna subscribe and put the notification bell, you will gonna see the review. You will gonna see the review of another Australian model, but already made by AutoArt, and this is gonna be a Chrysler Charger E49. Also amazing model, in spotless condition, brand new, never been out of box. And in the next video I will gonna take out this model from the box and gonna make a review. So keep thumbs up, leave comments down below what you think about this model, subscribe, put the notification bell, and see you in the next videos. Have a good day and bye bye.